Do you ever feel you're eating healthy and still not losing weight? Or maybe your digestion feels heavy even after that light home cooked food? One silent culprit could be the amount and the type of oil used on a daily basis. Hi, I'm Lubena Kothawala. I'm a certified health and mindset coach and I help busy professionals live better lives, healthier lives. So, here's the truth. Your body needs healthy fats for hormone balance, glowing skin, and strong joints, and even fat loss. But it's not about cutting oils, it's about using the right kind and the right amount. Most people end up using double or even triple the ideal amount without even realizing it. So, the right amount of oil per person per day is just about 3 to 4 teaspoons per day. That comes out roughly to 1 to 1.5 tablespoons in total from all the meals combined. And not all oils are created equal. So choose cold pressed refined oils for their health benefits. Use a mix of oils during the week. Ghee or virgin coconut oil, or maybe mustard or soya bean oil for cooking. Olive or avocado oil for salads and drizzling. And avoid refined vegetable oils or reused fried oil. So, next time you cook, measure your oil mindfully. Your hormones, digestion, skin, everything will thank you for it. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who pours oil straight from the bottle and follow me for more such wellness tips that makes a big difference.